are now watching
Count my guap. All these rags bumming in, they bumming in. Hold up. Put up in a drop top, she dropped it. I put up in a drop top, she dropped it.
So you go to face, pick that one. Freckles, of course. Trippie has freckles. Nothing. That's the skin tone you gotta pick to come out legit. Alright, now we go down to eyebrows. Let's check it out. Pick that one. Position there, you can just copy it. Cause he has thin eyebrows. You know what I'm saying? No homo. Nose. You got that one because he has a pretty big nose. And then I think I left it. Yeah, I don't think I messed with that one. Facial hair, nothing. Gender, obviously male. Glasses, nothing. Go up here, hairstyle. You go, oh shit, go to that one, obviously. And then the color is the brightest red. It's the brightest one they got. And the eyes is that one. Position, there it is. You can just copy it. And then black. And then mouth. Pick that one. This position right there. Right, there we go. There's no mole. Body, doesn't really matter. Whatever. Color, obviously red. Because he's Trippie red, and that's it. That's it. You got Trippie red right there. That's how you make them.
Put down the J because you're watching.